MSChauhan Organic Chemistry, question number 17, GOC. For each of the 6 structural formulae A to F shown below, 5 questions are posed. The answer to each is a number that should be entered in the appropriate answer box. So, what are the questions? First one, this compound is asking number of sp3 carbons, sp2 carbons, sp carbons, number of carbon-carbon sigma bonds, number of pi bonds to carbon. Okay, so let's go with what are the sigma, what are the pi, all this you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these are sp3. It's sp2, it is sp2, it is again sp3, this is sp2. So what the question is, this is sp2, sp3, 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 sp3 and sp2, sp2. So there are 4 sp2 carbons, 6 sp3 carbons, 0 sp carbons. Clear? Then he was asking about carbon-carbon sigma bonds and carbon-carbon pi bonds. This is first pi bond, this is second pi bond. Only 2 pi bonds are there. Remaining are sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbon-carbon sigma bonds are there, not with hydrogens, only carbons we are saying. Look at the question number B. sp3, sp2, sp, same question. Here all carbons are sp2. It is sp, sp, this is again sp2 because COOH will be like this. So sp3 carbons 0, sp2 carbons 7, sp carbons are 2. Now number of carbon-carbon sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Carbon-carbon sigma bonds are 9, pi bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was the next question? Same. All questions are same, na? So we got the questions. We need to explain them. That's all. Fine. See, this is sp3. It is again sp3. It is again sp3. It is sp3. It is sp3. It is sp2. We are talking only about carbons, not nitrogen, so we are not forgetting about this. sp3 carbons are how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. sp2 carbons, only 1. sp carbons, nil. Number of SPS carbon-carbon bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sigma bonds. Carbon-carbon, there are no pi bonds. That is carbon-oxygen pi bonds. Okay, na? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Coming to question number D. Here this is sp2 carbon, it is again sp2 carbon, this is sp2 carbon, this is sp3 carbon, this is sp carbon. 1 sp3, 3 sp2, 1 sp, correct na? So this is 1 sigma bond, carbon-carbon only is asking. This is 1, this is 1. 3 carbon-carbon sigma bonds. Carbon-carbon pi bonds is asking. This is 1 pi bond. That's all. Carbon-carbon only 1 pi bond. Don't confuse. Coming to sp2, 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 sp3, sp3. 2 sp3 carbons, 3 sp2 carbons, no sp carbons. Correct? Done. Now he is asking carbon-carbon sigma bonds 1, 2, carbon-carbon sigma bonds only 2. Carbon-carbon pi bond, this is the only pi bond, carbon-carbon pi bond is 1. Correct, na? Done. Coming to this is sp3. It is sp3, 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 all sp3 only. So in the ring 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all 10 sp3, no sp2, no sp. So how many bonds will be there? No sp2 means no pi bonds. Carbon carbon pi bonds are not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbon carbon sigma bonds are there. Done? A good question. Actually good practice. Of course for me too. So this was the paper and we made here only. Thank you so much guys. This is your Lucky Sir.